Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Inku unboxing video for July. It looks all summery, which makes sense because right now it would be summer in the northern hemisphere and hence Japan. But it is cold and wintry in Australia, at least in Melbourne where I'm from. So I'm just really looking forward to summer this year. To be honest, I'm actually really looking forward to spring and summer because I can finally go out a little bit more. I can see what life outside the house is like with the baby, because right now we've just basically been indoors the entire time, staying warm and cozy. So let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so first up we have these stickers. Hatsune Miku. She's a really popular AI character, but I never got into her. I think maybe I've just was a bit past my time. It's partner of Sega of America, celebrate. Okay, so this is like a promotional crate, which I'm probably not going to be getting. I don't know if you have to pay extra for it, but this sounds like some more promo material than an actual item in the box. Let's see, we've got a couple writing pens, so I'll test these out at the end, except for this one, which is a pencil. It's a really beautiful pencil and it looks double-sided. So let me zoom in just a little bit so it's a bit clearer. But you can see kind of in the middle here it's half. So you've got kind of a pink pencil here, and then on this side you have blue lead. So I guess you could, to be honest, this sort of thing makes sense because I don't know very many people who finish an entire pencil. Maybe if you're like really into coloring or something, but for the most part that has never been the case for me. So this actually is very space efficient. But I won't be testing it. I'm going to save it. I don't want to sharpen it just yet. So I'll put that aside and I'll test these out at the end of the video. So we have post-it notes. Oh, that's so cute. It's like a popsicle post-it note. Sorry, I thought it was a little blown out, so I've just made it a little darker. Hopefully you can see. But yeah, these really cute. There's a lot of them, like 100 sheets, which is like more than what you normally get. You usually get like 50. But yeah, you get all these post-it notes that you can make notes on. Very summery. Then we have penguin stamp. That is so cute. I'm pretty sure I will test this out at the end of the video as well, but let's open it up anyways. That is so cute. Odayaka. I wonder which one it is. Yep. And then we have this beautiful cloud-like washi tape. This is so nice. Twilight cloud. It's beautiful. I don't think it's actually washi tape though. It looks like vellum-like tape, which I don't have many of them. I think I have like one or two, most likely from subscription boxes. Yeah, it's kind of vellum-like, but it's so beautiful. Kind of reminds me of Sailor Moon, to be honest. If you're wondering why my nails are not done, I know I got a couple comments in the past about how you really like it when I do my nails, and I would have normally had done my nails post-baby, well, not pre-baby. I would have done my nails all the time, and especially now I have a newborn, I've stopped doing my nails just because I am looking after a newborn. But maybe when the baby's a little older I can go back to doing my nails, but that's pretty much why at the moment I don't do my nails. So all these videos without nails done, yeah, it's just a practical sort of thing. So this is cool towel. Okay, so it's basically just a normal dry towel that you carry with you, but if the weather is very hot, then the instructions say you can wet it and then wrap it around to cool yourself down. I don't know if that means there's like, I don't know, like special ingredients or something in it. But yeah, wet it, dry it off, and then just cools you down. Maybe it's just better at retaining coolness. Yeah, maybe it's just better at retaining coolness. I have no idea, but this would be something fun to try in the summer. I'll definitely keep this around just to see how this actually works. So I'm kind of intrigued. And then we have this little rose razor. Flower razor. So cute. There we go. You can see a little bit better. It is so cute. When I did the move over to my house, I decluttered a ton of like half-used, partially used erasers, and I kept a bunch of really cute ones. I don't think I kept, I think I left all my food erasers in the sticker shop office just because I felt it was more decorative there. So I don't have a ton of erasers now in my current office. And we have these beautiful drinks. Oh man, I don't know, I'm kind of thirsty right now, so looking at this is making me even more thirsty and wanting to make like fancy drinks, especially during the pregnancy. I had gestational diabetes, so I could not take any like bubble tea or any sugary drinks at all. It was just basically water all the time. And to be honest, now that it's all over, I've kind of still stuck to the diet to some degree. I've introduced carbs in terms of like pasta and rice, especially rice and noodles, because that is kind of my lifeline. But I don't take like I don't do fast food or any of these like high sugary things anymore. And I think I'm just going to keep it that way because I actually kind of love this new lifestyle. But this does make me crave it. I think I really look forward to going back to Japan with Violet and Jimmy and baby and all of us together. And I'm going to definitely be indulging when I'm there. But these are good inspo. And the last one is a notebook, a campus notebook. So it's actually branded notebook. Pull out a little bit so you can see the notebook in its entirety. Pokemon inspired campus notebook. It is not dot grid, but it is kind of like gridded but lined as well. I'll pull it up a little so you can see, which is kind of my favorite type because it's great for writing in Japanese or English. Yeah, it's a really great standard notebook. I love the notebooks that I get from all these subscription boxes, but to be honest, some of the notebooks are just very like, you know, meh, what am I going to use it for? But these ones, they feel a little bit more, these ones feel more put together so that you can actually use them for something. And yeah, I love the Campus brand. I have a lot of notebooks that are from Campus. Okay, so that is everything in the unboxing. Let's go try out those pens and the stamp. First up, I'm going to try the stamp because that's just too cute, and I'm really curious to know if it's this design or this design that's on the stamp. And okay, it's this one. Make sure you get it the right way around. So cute. And then let's try this. Oh, it's a friction pen. I was wondering, I saw Pilot and Lime Green. I'm like, oh, maybe it's just like a standard gel pen, but no, it's friction. So, oh, and it's a highlighter. You know what? I'm probably going to really like this color. Yeah, I really like this lime color. I'm just not a fan of friction, unfortunately. So I may pass it on to someone else, but it's a really nice color. And then the last one is generic pen. I don't think this has a particular brand to it from what I can see, but you have black and red. They look ballpoint and probably 0.5. So yeah. Yeah, it's okay. To be honest, it's not the best pen. Like you can see, the black is not very deep black. Definitely ballpoint. So my handwriting's really off, but it's partially because one, I'm standing instead of sitting, and hopefully that was in focus. But also this pen is not very good. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually a little hard to write with. So yeah, well, that is officially everything in the Inku crate for July 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.